I've got a question. My brother was working at a car wash and slipped and fell.
Okay.
They're talking about taking him out on workman's comp. He's been told that he would draw 100% of his check. Is that correct?
All right.
Well, not typically. Typically, what you can draw on workers' compensation is going to be 2/3 of whatever your average weekly wages were. And a lot of times when somebody works at a place like a car wash, what they're going to do is they're going to not take into account all of the income that that person may make, especially if there's a lot of things like tips involved that aren't necessarily all getting on that paycheck. In those circumstances, when you're hearing that you're going to get compensated 100%, and you have a potential workers' comp claim where the income may not match what's on your check, I think the best thing you could do at this point would be to advise them to contact a lawyer to look into that.
Yeah, maybe in a situation where some of the income wasn't reported, or maybe it wasn't reported, frankly, to the insurance carrier. So you may be in a situation where normally you would receive 66 2/3 of your average weekly wage. Well, you may be in a situation now where the employer may just decide to pay you 100% for a certain period of time. But beware, because if that's the case and you don't get put into the system, when I say the system, into the workers' comp system with the workers' comp carrier, because they may try to pay you to avoid getting you into that system and putting the medical expenses on your health care insurance that's with your company as opposed to the workers' comp carrier. That's going to cause problems later on down the road, because what will happen is you'll be ready to settle your case if you do have a permanent injury, and then the workers' comp carrier is going to go, wait a minute, what? We didn't know about this claim. I'm not saying that's the case in your particular situation, but we have seen that happen.